Hey, it's Dave again with the technical support team. Today I'm going to share with you how to pull data and alarm logs from a Carel controller using an Ethernet cable. These logs contain 7 days of data, which will allow the technical support team to review the operation of the unit. The alarm log shows what alarm occurred and what specifically the unit was doing at that time. These two types of logs paint a bigger picture to help determine root cause. To start, you'll need a Carel controller with 24 volts AC supplied, a computer, and a category 5 or 6 Ethernet cable. Take one end of the Ethernet cable and plug it into one of the two ports on the board, and take the other and plug it into the port on the computer. Setting up a static IP address is necessary to use this method to transfer files. If you don't have a static IP address set up, please be sure to click on the link at the top of this screen. Once your static IP has been set up, open a new window on your computer and enter ftp:// and then the IP address of the controller. You can now see the files that are stored on the controller. For newer units, you will need to select HTTP and open the logs folder to access these files. Select all of the Excel files and copy them onto your computer. You may want to create a folder to keep them organized. You may email these to the technical support specialist who you are working with on this case. If you need a new case, contact us to get that set up. For further support, please reach out to the technical support team. Again, thanks for watching the video today. For other videos, please check out and subscribe to our channel.